everyone, this is Nabila with RexTheme, and today I'm going to show you how you can add free shipping coupon support using advanced shipping for WooCommerce. Now, what this feature does is once you have a coupon created in your store, and you only have to enable an option called free shipping coupon support. And what's going to happen is once you add that coupon to your checkout or the cart page, the free delivery option gets activated. Now I'm going to show you real quick how this works. So let's get started. Now I have already installed and activated advanced shipping for WooCommerce. Now let me show you real quick how you can use this feature. So first I'm going to go to advanced shipping and go to the shipping zone. Now you can see in the Texas zone, I've already added the advanced shipping method. Now I'm going to click on edit and I'm going to add the shipping method. Now for that, I have to select free shipping here. So once I do that, I have to click on continue. Now in the requirement, I'm going to add a valid free shipping coupon here. So I'm going to create and save this. Now this is saved, right? So let's go to the marketing and click on coupon. So once I click on this, I have to click on add new coupon. So let's say I'm going to give a 20% discount, and this is going to be a percentage discount. Now you can see that there's an option here called allow free shipping. So if I check this box, this coupon will grant a free shipping. Now I have to publish this. So once I'm done, now I'm going to go to the store. So this is my shop. Now I can select any item from here. Let's say I want to add this winter blue sweater. So if I add this to cart, I'm going to view my cart. Now currently you can see that the delivery fee is $399, which is under advanced shipping. Now I'm going to add a coupon here. So let's add the coupon, that is sale 20. Now I'm going to apply this. So once I do that, you can see that I'm getting the discount and I'm getting the delivery fee as free. So that's the free shipping coupon support. Now, if you have enabled advanced shipping and you also have the free shipping support enabled, you can utilize this feature very easily. So you can see that my total cart amount has changed to $32. So that's how easy it is to use the free shipping coupon support with advanced shipping for WooCommerce. Now that's about it today. I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, take care.